Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The US 3-month bill auction will be released at 15:30 GMT. The US 6-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT. The Dutch retail sales at 4:30 GMT. The Austrian unemployment rate will be released at 7 GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Manufacturing PMI at 0:30 GMT. Japan's monetary base at 23:50 GMT.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
China's manufacturing activity shrank for a second month in May, an official survey showed, raising expectations for more stimulus to support the economy amid a protracted trade war with the United States. The world's largest group of oil producers, OPEC+, stuck to its guns, with another big increase of 411,000 barrels per day for July, as it looks to wrestle back market share and punish overproducers. Gold prices slipped on Friday as the dollar edged higher and markets digested the latest tariff developments, while a softer inflation report kept hopes for a US rate cut alive. Spot gold was down 1.9% for the week.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
The dollar-yen price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an overbought market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair rose 0.3% following a 1.2% intra-session dip. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.1%. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair fell 0.3% in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.